I think it is lifetime observation also that most people know what they really cherish, what they would like to be, what are their dreams, although they were not able to follow them entirely and totally. This journey of the third stage of aging and old age begins with that. I wanted to do this thing. I wanted to become a musician. I wanted to travel. I wanted to play hockey in my own way. I wanted to write. I wanted to paint. I wanted to help others. Social work. Most people are very conscious of it. And that is actually the door to enter. Because already that energy is built up. It is waiting to be explored, to be released, to be expressed. Once we enter into that, what happens that those broken pieces or unexplored pieces of our life start coming together, because that is the nature of the mind. Once you look at the dots, fragments, they start coming together because now you are paying attention. And once they come together, it becomes like a wholeness, a bigger point, and that bigger point becomes even more big. And then the whole picture emerges exactly now what I want to do. And the emergence of that picture is not only in the mind, it goes even deeper into our being, because that picture actually connects us to what we call natural self, with which we were born. But what we were aspiring, cherishing, dreaming was a small part of it. But that small part now becomes the entry into our natural self. And we discover it in its totality. And the many did also. But many don't, because they don't know how to enter into it, how to access it. And the door is always that lingering feeling that is what I wanted to do always. And from there, it starts. Whatever we do in that stage is not really resource intensive. That is why we said it is the adventure of consciousness. It is the adventure of self-exploration. So it is not about going and consuming. Because in order to explore my natural self, I need very little resources. In fact, I need not much energy either. That is why somebody said, when flesh becomes weak, means the body becomes weak, spirit will shine. And other person said, aging is saging. And they were very right. Because we will assume that body will become weak and that we will have limited resources. Idea is that it is entirely possible within those limited resources. And actually our brain indicates, hints about it. So if we study brain, our brain becomes more and more holistic as we age. Although we lose some part of the brain cells we are losing constantly, but various parts of the brain, they are more connected with each other than they were in the past. So we have more holistic brain. Idea is of that holistic brain is to intensify the process. And once we experience that, that will come more as inner fulfillment. Because if we want to cling to only external world, that is an impossibility. Even if we have plenty of resources, still it will be very difficult because body is going to become weak, it will become sick, we will be limited. So people even who are wealthy, they know they cannot travel all the time. They cannot do exciting things all the time. They have to change that pattern. And that pattern is possible within the boundary of our limited resources.